Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are fine. And today in this video, I'm going to share a miracle story of Istighfar. She is our sister and she keeps sending her experiences. She keeps discussing about miracles, stories, and different things about Duru Sharif and Istighfar. She discussed her miracle about Istighfar. She says she had some issues like black magic issues or some kind of evil eye issue. And she was very worried that what I have to do. She has marriage issue as well that she is not finding a right person for her and not getting good proposals. So she was very worried. And her parents also very upset and worried. So she was searching some videos on YouTube. She saw many videos about istighfar, that if a person recites 7,000 istighfar daily, that the blessing of istighfar. She watches many videos and she saw many videos about 7,000 times istighfar daily. And she saw one video on one channel that if someone recites 11 times through the Ibrahimi and in the beginning and end and in middle recite 7,000 times Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. So whatever the problem is, whatever the issue is, whatever the situation is, will be automatically fine and in your favor, and all the problems will be solved. She says that when I saw this video, I intended to recite 7,000 times istighfar with 11 times through the Ibrahimi in the beginning and ending. She says, one day I tried to recite 7,000 istighfar, but that was my first day. So I just recited 2,500 times. But I had a strong intention that I must recite 7,000 times istighfar daily. She says, one day, first day, I recite 2,500 times istighfar, means astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. And I completed my work, I slept. And the next day, when I woke up, then two biggest news, two great news I found for myself. I heard two great news. Two miracles happened in my life. The one is that I found a good proposal for me. I had a good proposal for me in my family. That was the biggest news because I was really worried about my marriage because my age is increasing and I'm not finding good proposal. So I found alhamdulillah good proposal for marriage the very second day after reciting istighfar, astaghfirullah. And second good news is that I had applied for a job. I gave interview, but I did not give so much importance to it, and I did not contact them again. And I received email or phone call for coming and joining job. She says I don't have such financial issues, and I was just giving interview, and I just wanted to do job for getting busy myself, or and nothing else. So she says the very next day, uh, the very next day, I got an interview call and email to come and join. And where I applied for the job, they people contacted me 2 or 3 times and said to me, please come and submit your documents and join us. She says that was the great miracle of my life. That very first day when I recited 2,500 times Astaghfirullah, the next day I got a good proposal for myself for marriage and I got a job. And she says, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. I keep reciting Astaghfirullah sometimes 7,000 times, sometimes 8,000 times, sometimes less than 7,000 times if I am busy, so I cannot complete my target. But I have intention. At least I must recite 7,000 times Astaghfirullah daily. She says that people say we are reciting istighfar but not getting result. But alhamdulillah, when I recited very first day, second day, two miracles happened in my life. And she is saying that all the things are getting smooth in my life, all the things are getting improved in my life, and alhamdulillah, Allah has given me strength to recite more and more istighfar. Sometimes 7,000 times, sometimes more than this, sometimes less than this. So this is the miracle story of our sister. So when we have a belief, when we start reciting istighfar with concentration, with focus, with belief, with love, and we keep asking for forgiveness from Allah, so Allah gives better than what we want. Allah immediately answers our prayers. Allah immediately gives what we want. So if anybody has any issue, start reciting Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah 7,000 times daily with through the Ibrahimi 11 times in the beginning and 11 times in the ending. And keep praying Allah, keep asking for your wish, for your dua, for your wants, for your needs. Inshallah ta'ala, Allah will give all the things and you will be given all those things which you want in your life. May Allah bless all of us. May Allah accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.